You guys?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, good.
good.
What about you?
Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm also good, guys. But suffering from the viral infection. I mean,
Oh,
little bit.
are
uh,
you good to
yeah, yeah,
continue
yeah,
today?
yeah. I will. I will. No issue. I mean, since last 3 days
Okay, we
only.
try to avoid
No,
much
no, no.
questions today.
I don't know what is, guys. I am not that much sick as well. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, guys. So we will start from where we left. Okay. I hope I promised you people to explain in detail about the LTV, CLTV, and HLTV. Correct?
Okay, don't do well.
Correct, guys.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
So I will start with that note only, and later on we will deep in the credit report in detail, so that you will get an idea.
okay.
Just let me know, guys, once my screen is visible to you people. Uh, is it visible, guys?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
able to see your screen.
Okay. Okay. Before that, just would like to ask you about I mean, what you remember about the LTVs and CLTV, what we explained, I mean, discussed that day.
TV is loan value,
Mm-hmm.
loan to value. So
Okay.
that is some calculation is last week we do that. So higher value in first and loan value is divided by some
Mm-hmm.
equation is 80 percentage, 76%.
Correct.
That will we do that last
Mm,
week. So
Hemant,
loan value divided to purchase price
or appraised value, whichever is
or up.
lesser. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. I mean, you people remember then. Okay. Now,
You
again.
asked vice versa as well last.
Yeah, exactly.
What about
Okay.
so if loan amount is greater than the appraised
If
value,
correct, correct. If
you said
possible, na guys.
immediately it's not possible.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. If possible, try to write it down because later on you may get forgot or something, So try to write it down. I mean, I have explained in detail, given examples, given the formula, given the definition as well. So once you understood, so you will get an idea about the CLTV and HLTV as well. So can somebody read what is LTV
Loan to value. So just a minute.
definition?
Ratio of the loan amount of the property appraised value or purchaser price, whichever is lower.
Mhm. So this definition should be remembered whenever somebody asks you what is the definition or what is LTV. Simply, they will not ask definition, and but you have to proactively explain what is the LTV. Then it will start with the loan to value.
Amount.
LTV means loan to value, and if I go further and explain in detail, so the ratio of the loan amount to the property's appraised value or purchase price, and whichever is lower. Okay. So formula is LTV is equal to loan amount divided by appraised value or purchase price into 100. Okay. Write it down, guys, and once done, let me know.
Are you taken any medicine?
Yeah, yeah. I have
Mhm.
taken medicines, no
So
issue.
your voice is much low.
I know,
Tiredness
I know.
is feel. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, guys, I know. Actually, here now in Pune, I mean,
Yeah.
climate is also
Change
cloudy,
over.
and and viral infection is, I mean, spread everywhere.
Oh.
Yeah, we noted.
Okay, okay. Then, what is the underwriting logic behind it? We will deep in it. Okay, just tell me why I have kept the appraised or purchase value, just apply your logic, guys. Lower. Why I am not saying high? I will give you an example so that you will come
That
through
is
the.
reduce the risk ratio.
Mhm.
So
What would
is
be if I say, let take example, guys, so that you will come to know clearly. Okay, loan amount is $300,000.
okay.
Appraised value
300
$1,000 means 300,000. Okay,
300,000. Okay.
okay. Divided by
$220,000.
220,000. 220,000.
$1,000. Okay.
220,000. Okay, into 100. Just tell me what is the ratio. What I said, 3,000, 3,
That is loan amount, correct?
yeah, that is loan amount divided by 220,000 into 100.
Loan amount is higher, so we can't do that.
Okay. Hmm. Hmm. This is Vijay, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about Hemant?
We can't
Hemant,
do that.
Hemant, Hemant, you there?
Hemant?
Is he, I mean,
Yes.
think,
And I'm in mute.
yeah.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay.
In mute, I
Nice.
am speaking, I think. Okay.
Okay, okay. I mean, you also got an idea, that right?
Yeah, yeah. I got it.
Hmm. Okay. Now do it opposite. Loan amount is 220,000.
73.73%.
Oh, 5G, 6G. Okay. Hmm. Hemant.
73%.
Okay, perfect then. Huh? Now,
Okay.
now what I will do, I will reduce the purchase price by appraised value like 220, 280. Keep the loan amount as it is, 220,000 divided by 280,000 into 100.
So we increase that loan value.
Correct?
78%.
Correct? You got now
78%.
Yeah.
why I
So
am
max,
saying.
yeah. So 280. You mentioned that 280, correct?
Hmm. Guys,
It's go
remember,
to 93%. So
no, no, no,
maximum we.
no, no, don't go jump another. I mean, topic. Just be here only. I just wanted to explain this term. Why? Because
Hmm,
nobody will explain, guys. Okay, this is a practical
okay.
example, and so many guys will stuck in here. They don't even know
Okay.
why we keep the lower, because there
Okay.
is a logic. There is a. I mean, you only seen here, right? If I reduce the loan
Yeah.
amount by 20,000 even,
Okay.
that means LTV is increasing. LTV is increasing means what? The risk factor is increasing. Okay, guys. By the reducing appraised or purchase value, LTV is increasing means borrowers risk factors are getting increased by the lowering of our purchase price or appraised value. That's why I said appraised value or purchase price, whichever is lower. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you were saying 93, 95. That is up to the loan program, guys. Okay. There are few loans, I mean programs which allow up to 100% as well. Okay. I mean it's differ loan to loan, case to case, lender to lender, okay, client to client. So up to the 80%, we don't require any mortgage insurance. Okay,
Hmm,
that's why I have mentioned less than 80. Okay, I mean once the LTV cross 80%, then you will
Wish-
require mortgage
Vehicle
insurance. Yep.
insurance or mortgage insurance.
Yes,
Insure
Hemant,
the loan, correct? Insure the loan.
correct.
Vishwa, in title, uh, So we have a insured and non-insured properties. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I believe like, so if the LTV is going more than 80 percentage, then it's a insured property. It is less
Correct.
than 80 percentage, then it's a
Correct.
non-insured. Correct.
Exactly. Exactly, guys. Okay. Now you understood the logic.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So here, same example I have given below here as well. So now you know the logic, you know the formula, you know the definition. All three things you know, guys, now. And the
Yeah.
logic, most important logic, guys. Okay. Lower the risk factor of lender. We keep appraised or purchase for value lower. Just keep this in mind. And the formula,
Okay.
loan to value, loan amount divided by appraised or purchase price, whichever is lower into 100. That is your LTV formula. Now you completely understand, guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm, okay, then we will move to next term of combined loan to value. Okay, now let's say Hemant is having mortgage. Okay, only mortgage, and he is using for his primary property. But along with that, he has already few properties on his name. Okay, now suppose he is purchasing subject. I am using word subject, subject primary property. But at the same time, he is having already few more properties on his name. And the
Income property or secondary property.
secondary income, I mean, whatever, apart from primary, he is having,
Yeah.
and at the same time, he is paying some mortgage, you know, some HELOC, something on the property, means he has to pay our subject properties mortgage as well as whatever he had already ownership from the property, those things as well, correct?
Yes.
Then just here one word is included in LTV, that is combined.
Combined
Combined means what? All loans.
all
Okay.
loans.
Hmm?
Existing loans.
Ha, correct. Existing loans. Correct. Exactly. Here I have mentioned the definition. Write it down the definition as well, guys. Ratio of all loans secured by the property. First mortgage, second mortgage, home equity loan. Okay. I have clearly mentioned all loans secured by the property means first mortgage, second mortgage, and home equity loan.
First mortgage means what? You say that senior mortgage
Correct.
or other property mortgage.
No, 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 no. Means suppose you have the property,
Yeah.
and that property, let's say you have purchased, and you have top up on the property. I mean, let's say you
So
purchase, you got it.
additional
Ah,
refinance fitting that the
correct,
same property.
correct, correct, correct. Most of the times it happens in refinance.
Yeah.
Okay, formula also the same like LTV. Total loan balance. What was here? Loan amount only, because there was a single mortgage. But here there are few more.
Multiple
Amount.
loans.
Huh,
It says total loan balance means previous
huh,
outstanding amount
huh.
plus new loans total
Correct,
amount is
correct,
combined to.
correct. Exactly, guys. I mean, Hemant, you are also thinking in the same way, correct?
Correct. Vishwas. I got.
Ah, okay, Vijay, man, you are going in a super fast mode. Okay, no issues. Okay, guys, I am happy.
No, we understand Vishwas, because we already saw these kind of
Okay, terms heard
sentence.
somewhere,
Yes,
right? Huh?
so,
That's why. Okay, guys. Okay,
so
good
while
then.
doing such as, we have a multiple mortgages for the same
Correct,
property. So
correct, correct, correct.
we understand the
Exactly.
concept. No
Okay,
issues.
okay. Now, here, if you notice, I have mentioned only appraised value, not purchase price. You got the difference, guys?
Appraised value. Yeah.
Only appraised value. CLTV
Yeah.
applies only appraised value.
Oh,
Okay.
Good. Good.
And the underwriting logic also I have given here, captures total debt burden on the property, means whatever. burdens, I mean, whatever liabilities on the property, that all will be captured here. Important, when borrower has a second mortgage or HELOC. Most important, just highlight this. When borrower has second mortgage or HELOC on the property, then only the CLTV comes in a picture.
Just a minute, I noted that.
Yeah.
Internet logic.
Done, guys.
Just a minute.
Noted.
Okay. Now I have given one example. What I will do, I will that hide and I will give you one example so that or let it be. Jump to the, because it
So
is the first time.
BT market as a, just a minute, one question. BT market, we till that home equity line of credit. So
Correct, correct,
additional amount getting that is. So
correct.
sometimes same times first mortgage, senior mortgage and second mortgage also comes. Subordinate mortgage.
Mhm.
That and alak both are same or different? Like,
No, see, first mortgage means, let's say, just take an example. You have purchased the home on the interest rate of 7.8 or something, and the max amount SBI allowed you till 80% LTV. And he said, we
okay,
can provide you uh,
yeah,
out of 100, out of 1,000, let's say 1,000, and we can provide you $800. So
okay,
rest amount you should bring us. Then what you will do? You will think that, man, if
yeah,
SBI is providing me 800, then can I get some more money from other bank? Then you will go to another
okay.
bank. Then
So
ask,
remaining 200 is there is property value. So they try to getting another loan.
"Huh,
That's it,
now
or
now just let me then you will get an idea. Then now
yeah,
HDFC what will do? They will think, man, SBI is giving this person $800, means something is there. I mean, that
okay,
borrower is having something positive factors, so the reason SBI is allowing him. So what HDFC will do? They will provide him 100, not 200. Okay,
200
they will
full
provide you
value.
100.
Mm, mm,
They, I mean, never, no bank in the world will provide you 100% loan amount for a home loan. Okay, except VA loans. Or, I mean, some scenarios are there. Okay, so that they provide you 100. Then now your total loan amount would be 900. Correct? Correct.
1000,
First bank's loan is 800,
800,
and HDFC is 100, means total is 900.
900.
Correct?
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah,
Out of 1,000, you got the loan of $900, but remained 100. That should be your own pocket. I mean, come from your own pocket. Okay. So here, first mortgage is SBI and second mortgage is HDFC. Let's say you default. Okay. Yeah, let's say you could not pay the loan. Then what will happen here, guys? Just tell me. After,
yeah.
let's say you have purchased one property and you brought the loan amount, you got the loan amount, you went to the property, you are living in there, but suddenly what happens? uh, you become a jobless, or anything happen, you are not able to pay the rest loan amount or EMIs. Then 6 month, max 6 month, they will wait. But after 6 months they will come to you, why you are not paying, why it is, I mean, happening. Then you give any reasons, then what happens, guys? They will declare you defaulter.
Default is
Okay,
going to foreclosure procedures.
correct. Pre foreclosure would be there, then after deed in lieu, then foreclosure as well. Till in 1 year they will keep the note, I mean, put the notice and ask you to leave the home or pay the home loan.
Home loan.
Then in this picture what happens, the first bank will get priority whatever recovery comes from the property up to the
Yeah,
800.
seen.
Got it? Means what?
Senior mortgage will give the
Correct.
first priority to closing the loans. When
Correct.
action is completed, so again sale is the property can
Correct.
transfer to another one, getting the amount, recovery amount first pay to the first mortgage. Whoever the getting the first mortgage, we
Hmm.
settle him them first.
Got it, na guys? Logic got it? Why I am
Yes.
using the first and second mortgage over here? Okay.
Yes.
Now that home price is $200. First mortgage is $160. Second mortgage is $20. Then the formula applies like this: 160 is first home mortgage, and 2000, I mean 20 is for second mortgage, and home price means nothing but the loan amount, which is sorry, home price. I mean property value, guys. Sorry, that property value is 200,000, and the formula comes about the CLTV
90%.
90%. Now got it, guys? Clear?
Yeah.
First and
Clear.
second mortgage, and what about the formula and all the stuff about CLTV? Can we move to the next?
Yes.
Okay. Now, home equity line of credit. Now, guys, be careful, be patient. Just try to, I mean, dig into it. What is the home equity? Home equity line of credit. Okay. The ratio says ratio that includes the full credit line limit of a HELOC, not just the drawn balance plus other loans compared to the property value. If you see here, it is a HELOC credit limit, first mortgage, and then appraised value. What is the difference in these two formulas, guys? Here, total loan balances.
Total
Okay.
loan value. Okay.
Loan balances means what? Whatever outstanding balance they were remained. Okay. That only here capturing. But here what they are saying, not just the drawn balance, all
Loan
balance.
amount means a maximum limit of the loan value
Ah,
we consider.
correct. Exactly. Okay. That's why it is called home equity line of credit. Means whatever total value of the home. Okay. First mortgage is there. HELOC credit line is there. Then appraised value, and then 100. Now, if you will get in, I mean, explained here, more conservative measure because borrower could draw the full HELOC amount at time. Now, guys, let me tell you, HELOC. What do you think? What would be the HELOC? Don't go by the home equity line of credit. Just tell me what you think. If I
Based on
mention here,
the, yeah, some loan amount is the maximum loan amount is there, but the limited amount only the borrower get the loan. Based on the same mortgage, they will get additional amount.
guys, now have you ever heard credit card?
Yeah,
Credit card, right?
yeah,
Let's say your balance, I mean, your limit is 1 lakh,
only.
and suddenly you went to the shop, you purchase, let's say you purchased washing machine of 20,000 rupees. Now they will deduct from your credit. I mean, your low, I
Credit
mean, that limit, right? Then remaining balance would be 80, correct?
is 80.
Okay. Now, somewhere you went in to purchase the AC as well. That is 30,000. Now, what would be the remaining balance? 50, correct?
50,000.
Now, what is the value of your credit card? That is 50 only, because that much balance you have in your pocket, correct?
1 lakh
Value of
is
the credit card is 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Okay. Yes.
Now, 50,000 you already spent, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Debit.
Now, it is remained balance of only 50,000, correct?
Yes.
yeah,
But here, while calculating, I mean, you can suppose in next month you went and you
mm,
put some amount, I mean, you paid some amount, let's say 10,000 you paid.
yeah.
Then remaining balance, how much it would be, guys? I mean, you can utilize,
60,000.
correct?
60,000. Yeah,
In next month, another 10,000 you paid, then 70,000, correct?
70,000. Yeah,
Likewise, HELOC account is also that HELOC is nothing but the kind of revolving account, like a credit card account. Means borrower they can pay and they can use also. Correct. I
Hmm.
mean they
Whatever we pay, that
they
same
can.
amount value
Ah,
they get again the loan.
that is the thing. That's why here I have mentioned HELOC credit, not just the drawn balance. Means entire amount I will cover. Let's say your limit is loan limit is $1,000 and you have paid 50,000. But I mean, let's say 100 or 50, not just a bigger amount. You paid 50, but remaining 50 would be there, right? But I will consider 100, not 50, because to the lower the risk, to low the risk. Now got the, I mean, clear guys, what is HELOC, how it is works, why borrower are beneficial by getting this, because they can use up to the loan limit. I mean, like credit card, you are paying your, I mean, fulfilling your monthly payments and all the stuff, then suddenly your limit also get increased. That's why I will not go by the what you paid, but I will go by the entire amount. Okay.
Sure, one example give to mortgage, first mortgage, LAC mortgage, that kind. Any example give that we will understand.
Here only
Yeah, yeah.
here only.
Mhm.
Home price means property value is 200, first mortgage
Okay.
is 160. Now HELOC limit is 40. Now, just if you notice here, guys, it
Just
is
a
up
minute,
to
just
the
a home
just
value. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Continue.
it is 100%. Means what, guys?
100%
Means
market
means he is getting total from the. I
value,
mean, 100%
credit
means
limit.
what? Exact up to the loan amount, exact about the property value. Correct?
Yeah.
Huh. Even if he can draw 10,000, let's say in HELOC, he can. I mean, he is having 10,000. I mean, he just used 10,000. I mean, remaining 30,000 are he already paid. But what I have done, I kept entire loan limit, HELOC limit. I didn't give the leverage to borrower, just I can include 10,000 and once, to reduce the LTV. No, I didn't. What I have done, entire
Vishwa,
HELOC limit
Vishwa,
is there because
Some art.
anytime.
Vishwa, sorry.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have, sorry.
yeah.
Here you mentioned that even if only $10,000 is drawn,
Hmm.
it means what? The loan amount they taken only 10,000 out of 40,000, or they took 40,000 of loan, or and the borrower repaid 10,000.
Yeah, man.
Vice versa. Vice versa.
Mishra, I explained that. You check that that is correct or not.
Okay, 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 okay,
Yeah,
okay.
man. First mortgage, they're getting the 1,00,000, 160,000 loan for first mortgage. Second mortgage, we LAC mortgage, you have value to getting the 4,000 for 40,000 value, but you getting only for 10,000 for the loan amount. But even we calculate the 40,000 in the calculation,
Okay. So
not
then
only
the
the
second
10,000.
mortgage loan amount is only 10,000.
It's
Okay,
not
guys.
second LAC.
HELOC, HELOC.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
is, yeah, HELOC
sec,
mortgage loan amount is 10,000, but while calculating it, we only calculate the higher amount.
Correct. Exactly. Exact my point. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Now you got it. Got it,
Okay,
guys.
one more doubt, Vishwas. So, how they giving a loan 100 for 100%? It's very
Ha,
risky, right?
ha, no. Let me tell you. That's why I'm using the HELOC, na guys, because it is in picture. HELOC is in picture means what? You have the limit. You can use up to the 100%. Let's say you have 1 lakh rupees of credit card. You can use 100%, right? I
initially
can
you
put.
getting in some amount, later part you get
You have to
that
pay. That's why
additional
I
amount.
have given the example of credit card as well to let you know why I can go to the up to the 100%. Got it, guys? HELOC, nothing revolving. Have ever heard type of account revolving?
Yeah, I heard it, but not. know the exact reason.
Okay, no, I will explain, guys, in detail. I mean, I never didn't even start all the things. I am just because where we left, na, I had started from there only because I just wanted to you people get clear so that we can move further. Okay, in simple terms, HELOC is nothing but the like a credit card, and US terms it is like a revolving
Mhm.
account. Just keep it in mind. And
Okay.
we can use HELOC limit, not balance. I mean, whatever balance, let be 10,000 he have used, 20,000 he has used. We don't care. We go to the
Mhm.
up to the loan limit, up to the higher amount. Okay. Now just write down the formula, and if possible now get this example as it is, guys, as it is, because it is very in the simple language, very explained. I mean, in detail explained, so you will understand in future if you have any doubts.
So whenever the borrower getting a HELOC loan, then the HLTV will be 100% only, right?
No, no, it goes to up to 105% as well for
How?
few loans. Yeah, that is possible, na. Let's say your loan amount is 160, and your HELOC limit is more than. I mean, you already have that, na. You got it. It is not first mortgage, guys. It is
Mhm.
not from what you are getting from first mortgage. It is you have already in your pocket. This amount you have already from other accounts, not for this. Hmm.
Do
Hmm.
you have any
Yeah.
example for that, Vishwas?
Wait.
More than
No,
100%?
I got your point. See, if you notice the formulas, here it is mentioned only loan amount for
Okay.
LTV. Here it is mentioned total loan balances. I mean,
Okay.
here first mortgage, second mortgage, and home equity. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you notice here, it is first mortgage and HELOCs means whatever balances are there here. I have
Mhm.
included only H word here. Means what? Here, what we are using total loan balances means only remained balances. We are not
Okay.
using the up to the limit. I mean, loan limit, equity limit. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
what we are doing, first mortgage, second mortgage, any other mortgage which is having like all the stuff and up to the
Mm.
limit, not balances, what he has paid, what is remain. No, up to the limit only. That's why there is a possibility, not because of the first mortgage, because he is having already HELOC, already ongoing loans. It is possible, na? And there is a limit to up to 105. Okay, guys.
Up to
Uh,
105 means the previous existing amount outstanding is
Ah,
already reduced that.
ah, ah.
So we go with
It is
105.
not applied to the first mortgage. Always remember, it is applying for the other already mortgages which is borrower having. Okay. The formula itself says first is only the subject properties loan amount (LTV), and second says combined loan to value, all balances of loan, whatever loans he is having, balances only. But here limit up to the limit, whatever limits. We don't care about what borrower paid, what borrower is having. We just clearly first mortgage and whatever
First mortgage
limit.
loan amount, so remaining balance amount is considered.
Remaining
Correct?
balance only here in CLTV.
Yeah.
And
Here,
here,
not consider the balance. It's
ah,
exact first mortgage loan amount plus
correct,
remaining
correct. Limit,
appraisal value. Yeah,
whatever limit that loan is
limit.
having.
Yeah.
Don't get confused. I mean, you will get come to know just because you are looking at the first time and in detail, so that you might get confused. Just go through this, you know, write it down. Example, write it down. Here clearly I have mentioned, even if you only drown, doesn't matter. You are using the loan limit. Okay. Here first mortgage, your value, here HLTV formula. Go by one so that you will understand. Okay. And don't get, I mean, so many terms would be new for you. So day by day or sometimes will you spend, na? Then you will get it. No issues. I know because when I was new to this, it is quite difficult to understand, and I am giving in detail, na guys, because I'm not treating you people as a fresher. First of all, that's why I'm just giving in detail. Okay, so might be you people, because I am from the live underwriting background, so the reason I can, I mean, feel or get it easily, but you people will
You
not.
already these kind of scenarios you face that you remember very well. So
And nothing, guys. Just apply your mind. And Vijay, the way you are
mm,
applying, same. I mean, just
yeah,
keep it in mind. Simple things. Just keep LTV means what? Subject properties loan amount. That's it. Nothing is here. Now CLTV means what? All loans secured by the property. Means
also
what? Whatever loans have on the property. Let's say first mortgage, second mortgage, like SBI and HDFC example I have given. Okay. All balances would be here. Now here what is using? First mortgage and the combined loan to value, but I am not using the balance. I am getting the limit as well. Whatever higher limit is there. Okay. That I'm using here. I mean, already you might be having 70, 60, 80, whatever. It may cross up to the, and just keep it in mind. HLTV up can get up to the 105, not more than that. Okay, HCLTV saying I'm guys,
Yeah.
not LTV, HCLTV I'm saying. Okay, so you wrote it.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
We noted.
Now, most important. Now we will jump to the credit report related things. Before that, before that, few things I would like to ask you. What does means credit report, guys? What is credit report? What do you know?
Credit
Anything,
report like the balance sheet. What are
whatever
the
you know.
incomes? What are
Mhm,
the income we received in the statement,
mhm,
your account?
mhm. Hemant, what do you know?
Credit
What do you
score?
think?
You asking credit score?
No, credit report. What is credit report, guys? Just simple.
Credit report
Oh,
means asset and liability calculation.
our sorry, borrower liabilities, all liabilities will mention in the credit report.
Okay, liabilities would be on that, correct? Okay, what else?
Income.
Income? No, no,
No,
income won't be there, guys.
income will be debit, right? Only credit only
Hmm.
the
Okay.
previous loans.
Already borrower is having previous loans, liabilities, those would be mentioned on credit report.
Okay.
Okay. What else? What else? What else?
Other liabilities
Correct.
like the taxes,
Okay. Okay.
maintenance.
Now, just let me tell you guys, credit report is nothing but how you are handling your current and prior liabilities. That report shows your credit worthiness. Okay, by the report, underwriter will come to know whether you are handling your current and prior liabilities in a good manner or a bad manner, however, whatever it is. According to that, only your civil report gets generated. Okay,
Civil,
now
civil
civil.
score.
Ha. In short, civil score. I mean, in India, we can say that. Okay, common terms about.
India's bill score is calculating what are the outstanding amount or how much you pay the correctly or on time
Mhm.
payment. These things are calculated.
Correct.
So mm,
In US also, guys, we follow the same like US only. Okay, I mean, there is no big difference in US credit report and our credit report. Have you ever pulled your civil, guys?
Yeah,
You might be seen that your prior loans, current loans,
yeah, yeah.
and according to that, it will generate your receipt
credit
for
card
your
billing payment. Yeah, credit
correct.
card billing payment also included. Okay. So on
Hmm.
time payment or any delay payment or any default, everything is calculated in the credit report.
Correct. Exactly, guys. Okay. Now we are moving to the first C of mortgage. Okay, that is credit. Okay. Now, common terms. Can you read this? common terms
terms
about
of
credit report.
report.
Just read one by one.
Credit scores, FICO models, score discrepancies, and mortgage impacting factors.
Okay. Next.
Next is trade lines,
Mhm.
payment history, balances, limits, utilization, age, and account status.
Okay.
The
Next.
last one is late payments, 30, 90, sorry, 60, 90 plus days history and recency.
Okay. Now, whenever I'm saying FICO, you should pronounce it like FICO. FICO or FICO.
FICO.
Okay.
FICO or FICO. Okay.
FICO.
Any,
Hmm?
what is the explanation? FICO.
There is, I mean, one terminology of Fair Isaac Credit Organization. Okay. So let it about forget about that. There is a model to, I mean, measure your credit score. Okay. There is an agency, you can say like a agency organization in US. They calculate your scores according to your paying liabilities paying. Okay. So FICO models are there though. So like scores 680, 670, 780 like scores they generate according to the there are organizations. I mean like government authorized organization. I can say score discrepancies and mortgage impacting factors. Okay, what are the credit scores means, guys? Like say, have you ever heard that your score is below 580, 620, so your score is bad? If your score is 750, then your score is good. So those terminologies same applies in US as well. Okay, so there are three major bureaus, credit bureaus, guys. Okay, first is Experian, second is Equifax, and third is TransUnion. Okay, I will
Sorry.
write it down. Ha, ha, ha. I got your point. Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. These are the credit bureaus, guys. Okay. Okay. So these credit bureaus, what they do, they pull your credit. I mean, they generate your scores according to this credit bureau score. Let's say, Equifax has given you 670 and TransUnion has given you 680 and Experian has given you 700. So let me tell you guys, sorry, let me ask you which score you will consider.
We need to consider 670 Equifax.
Okay, okay. What about,
Average score, whatever
okay,
is combined to average
okay.
score.
Instead of average, what we do, guys, we let's say what is lower 670,
Hmm.
670,
what is higher 700,
700.
and what is
700,
middle, guys?
680,
Then what we will consider
680.
680 because we can't harass the borrower by keeping the 670, or we can't give a benefit borrower to considering higher. So
Oh,
middle score would be considered. Okay,
okay.
guys.
So I,
I mean,
I thought like, so if we avoid our risk factor,
ha,
then we
ha,
need to
ha.
go for the lower
Yeah,
amount. So,
yeah, I got you. That's why I just no, that is fine. If you are go lower, but we can't do the injustice with borrower as well, no? Because these are the bureaus. I mean,
okay.
let's say, I mean, that doesn't matter who is reflect. I mean, whose score is reflecting lower or higher. In in short, we go by the middle one only. Okay, median score we used to call a median middle.
Median.
Okay.
Median. Hmm.
Huh. Hmm. And this is this report called as a tri merged. Okay, tri merged credit report. Wherever three bureaus are there, the name itself says tri merged credit report. Okay, now you got it. Few terms about the credit, guys. Getting some
Yeah,
idea
yeah.
how the credit report gets pulled, how it works. What
This
should
is
be think?
these things are calculated to the credit score, correct?
Correct, correct, exactly. This bureau, when they give you the points, according to that only, it's get calculated. Okay. Now, trade lines, guys. Trade lines means what? Whatever payment history, whatever balances, limits, utilization, age, and account status. In short, let's say you have three loans. One is credit
Age
card.
means loan age or person age.
No, no, loan age, loan age. Okay. Okay. Trade lines, nothing but let's say you have three loans. One is credit card, one is auto loan, and another is home loan.
Oh,
Now, as per the trade line, I could see that you are maintaining a payment history good. I mean, there is no delay. Here I have mentioned 360/90. Okay, there is no delay of 360/90 days. You are paying your monthly bills on a monthly base only. Balances. I look in the loan amount whether borrower is having. I mean, let's say he's paying on a time. Then whether while providing a loan, I will look in the loan balance. Let's say you already purchased 1 lakh. Now you are requesting 2 lakhs. And how could I give you 2 lakhs? Because you have already 1 lakh loan with you, right? So the balance, the limit, what limits you are approved, how you are paying, utilization. Utilization means, let's say you are
how
using credit
much?
card, your credit card $100, and you are using it on time. Let's say you are using it for up to the $50 only, not up to the 100. So means you are using a good manner. But let's say you are using on a 100 up to the 100, and not paying on a, I mean, monthly basis. You are just using, I mean, paying only 10,000 and keeping 90,000 as it is. Means you are not using or utilizing your credit in a good manner. Age means, is the credit, I mean, whatever loans you have taken, what is the age? I mean, when you taken, let's say you are taken so many loans in a current year only, so there is a risk, correct? Because you are taking so many loans, might be you, if you get a default, I don't know about you, right? Because of the report only I can come to know that, because whether the borrower is, I mean, paying in a good manner or not. So age is nothing but the whatever you have loan taken, about that. And account status, let's say you have opened account, now the status is in active or closed or open. According to that I can judge your character regarding the credit.
Yeah.
So these are few things. Trade
Any
lines.
anything account fees are active or post.
Correct. Opened, closed, active, default, like that. Okay. Now as I explained, late payments. So late payment is nothing but, guys, what late payment means? 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. There is a history, right? As I was explaining before, 3 or 6 months they will wait you. Later on, they will put a notice on your home once you declare the defaulter. Till 90 days they will wait, guys. Okay, like that. If I could see that, if there is a borrower is having a 90 plus days, I mean, history, then there is a risk factor, guys, because borrower is not paying his loans on a timely manner. So the reason I will look at the late payments as well. Okay, these are the few common terms about the credit report. Till the time, guys, till the time I will go in back. Let me know if you have any doubt, anything you want to focus on here, because we are looking in the credit report. Anything, try merged, what is Equifax, I mean, TransUnion, Experian, credit bureaus, late payments, trade lines means what. Okay, I mean, common things, just, I mean, not in detail. We will go in detail below points. Just I'm just giving an idea how it works and all. Okay.
I think Vijay left for the call, I think.
Oh, seriously. Okay.
Uh,
Let's wait for him then. Might
Yeah,
be. Acha, he's there, na? Vijay?
Yeah, it's just a minute. It's going out, disconnect and connect that.
Uh-huh.
okay.
No issues, no issues. Guys, do one thing then.
Vishwa,
What we will do.
one doubt. So for Urla, we have 1003, right? So
Mhm.
same kind for credit report, any document number is
No, 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 no. Urla is nothing but, guys. See, don't make any confusions or any. See, Urla is just an application, guys.
Application form. So whatever
Hmm.
borrower fill the information, the
Ah,
statement declaration, that is the only the
correct.
application form.
Now, according to that application, whatever borrower has declared, we are started now here. I mean, not yet started, just we will start from the credit report to
okay.
verify whether the borrower has declared clearly or
Uh,
correctly. Is there any discrepancy? If you read here, what I have mentioned, discrepancies.
Usha, one doubt, Usha.
Hmm, hmm.
That credit report will we will generate or already generated copy will
No,
given to us.
no. Already generated, guys. We
Yeah, yeah,
don't
yeah.
generate because these are government authorized users. I mean, we are not allowed.
Yeah.
Okay. By if you give the PAN number, na, then only they can pull your civil. Correct.
Okay. Okay.
The same
do
way.
you have the examples of credit report, Urla? So just want to
Ha,
check.
ha, 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 we have. Let's say borrower has mentioned in Urla section. What is the section, guys, of liability? Open
3L.
your notes.
One section.
Sorry, 2D, 2A,
Correct.
sorry, 2C, 2D.
Correct. Okay. Then whatever he has mentioned in that section, we will compare with his credit report whether all liabilities he has mentioned correctly or not. Because
Mm-hmm.
Urla is nothing but the application. He is applying, he is
Okay.
declaring, but credit report is authenticate document to validate whatever he has declared. We will not faith keep a faith on borrowers saying that yeah man he is saying that it means all are correct. No,
Yeah,
we
Urla
will
form that the fake information also borrower given that because
correct,
they want to loan is urgency. Some fake
correct,
information give to what is the possible to get the loan. So that validation we have to verify to what are the document credit limit other documents we verify that is the processing we are
correct.
do that correct.
Exactly correct. Okay, though I mean this is the underwriter review now. Credit report we will validate with loan application whatever borrower has applied. Okay, so we will go in detail by the sections now. Personal credit accounts, inquiries, public record, collection, then types of account, revolving, installment, open, mortgage, and other accounts as well. So till the time, guys, what we will do, we will take a 5 minutes short break. No,
So one thing these are all 1C or all
only
4C.
no, no, one C, one C, only
1C.
one C, only one C. Other three C's we will go in detail because the most important is capacity, guys. This is credit.
No.
Collateral, you know, half
Credit
you know,
capacity collateral appraisal. No, no.
no, credit,
Capacity collateral
collateral, capital,
capital credit.
hmm, credit. Yes. First C we are saying, credit we are saying,
Credit
then we will go to the
credit capital
capacity, capacity, capital, and then collateral. Collateral you half know, title you know means half you know, half I will teach you, appraisal. Okay.
capital. Last
Hmm,
one is collateral.
hmm, hmm. Okay. Take a breath, guys. Don't worry. Each
Okay.
and everything I will explain. Don't worry, guys. Just
Okay.
as I
So
explained,
out of 100%, so how much we covered the issues? 10%,
mm,
15.
if we can complete credit, na guys, then
Yeah.
we will to complete 10 to 15%. You can say 15 to
10.
20. I mean, up to 50, 20, not more than
You
20.
saying 1C.
One C, only one C.
1C. 1C.
Because if we see four C's as well, na, there are few
Yeah,
live
yeah.
scenarios, guys. I mean,
Yeah,
there
yeah.
are much more. If you remember in my first slide, there are at least 50 to 60 questions underwriting live
Mm.
underwriting scenarios. Okay,
Oh,
those also will take each day. I will take only 20. I mean,
oh,
each hour. If we are stretching to the 3 hours, then 60 questions I will cover, because
oh.
there are situational and live examples. After completing all the syllabus, then I will go jump into that. Okay, so we
Credit
will
capital next collateral.
no
Cap-
no credit
Capacity, credit
capacity,
capacity, capital,
capital,
collateral.
then collateral. Yes, correct,
Credit capacity, capital collateral.
correct. Okay,
Okay.
capacity
Yeah.
means what borrower can pay. Capital means what borrower is having, like assets. Collateral means appraisal and title. Okay.
Excellent. Yeah.
Take a breath, guys. Take a 5 minutes break. I will be on
Yeah,
a
sure.
mute. Be back, and once you back, just mention in chat or let me know. Okay, guys.
Sure,
Sure,
Vishal.
sure, sure.
Guys, you back?
Yeah, I am available. Hemandi, are you there?
Hi, Vishwas.
You back, right?
Yeah, yeah. And that,
Mm. Then Vijay were left. Mm.
I think
Mm.
he gone to call me.
Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Vijay?
Available. Sir. You start again.
Mm. Because we were searching him and he is there.
I am just try to call him, but not
Yeah.
connected.
Mm. Yeah, yeah, I know. The dialogue is there. I mean, in Hindi movie. आप लोग मुझे वहाँ पे ढूंढ रहे हो और मैं आपका यहाँ इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. Means you people are searching me there, but I am already here. Mm. Okay. So now whatever I have explained here, credit score, deadlines, late payments, XP5, and so and so. Now what we will do now, creditor name, like who is giving the loan. Okay, creditor name means who is giving the loan, the borrower. That agency name is means creditor name. That is might be Chase, Wells Fargo, anything. Now account types like credit card, auto loan, mortgage, student loan, personal loan. These are the account types. Okay. Now account number. I mean, what guys? For security reason, they don't give you the complete account number sometimes, huh? And sometimes what they do, they directly give you
Yes.
a complete 10 digit or whatever digits they have. They give you a complete account number. Okay. Date
Yeah.
opened.
On the state, I think, right? For few states, they won't
Correct. Correct.
the
Yeah. Few states they directly give the complete account number and few don't.
okay, okay.
Hmm. Now, the date opened means when you have opened the loan. Okay. It helps to see the credit history.
That is calculate the age of the loan.
Correct. Okay. Now, credit limit, loan amount, maximum borrowing capacity. Credit limit or loan amount, both are the same, guys. Loan limit, credit limit. Okay. Maximum borrowing capacity. What borrower is getting maximum from the creditor? That is loan amount or credit limit. Balance. Balance. Whenever I'm using the term balance, keep in your mind current outstanding debt means SBI credit card is there. Okay, and you have purchased 20,000, but 100 let's say it is 1 lakhs limit, and you have purchased 20, means what is your
80,000 outstanding.
got it? I am not saying the loan limit, I am saying the remaining balance. It
Uh,
means your current outstanding.
no, Vishwas, please repeat. No, I'm not.
Okay, whenever I'm saying using the term of balance means whatever outstanding debts you have. Sorry, I explained wrongly, I believe. Whatever balance you have means what? I mean, current outstanding. Outstanding means what? You have to pay. You have purchased. Let's say you have purchased 80,000. So something.
Remaining amount.
Remaining amount you have to pay. I mean, you are liable to pay. That amount you would be used as a balance. I mean,
Okay.
current outstanding debt. Whatever outstanding is there, you have to pay.
Currently.
Okay. For
Okay.
example, if they have to pay for 5 years, and currently they paid for 2 years, and remaining 3 years to pay. Na, then the 3 years balance amount is
Mm,
the actual balance here, correct?
but yes, correct. But you can't judge by the terminology in whatever years and all the stuff. You will use the terminology according to the amount, balance. I mean, by the year, time you can't judge. By the money, I mean, by the amount you can judge. Let's say, out of 100, you have paid 20. So remaining 80 is your outstanding balance. You can pay in a, let's say your home loan is there, then within 3 years as well. Let's say suppose it's a credit card, then you can pay in a 1 day as well. Okay, so there is no limitation to the timely manner. It is limitation to the amount whatever you have to pay, that is outstanding debt. Okay. Why I'm not going by that year and all the stuff, because mortgage loan, they have a strictly timeline, but credit loan, there is no line timeline, right? You can pay either in a 1 month as well, 2 months as well, or on EMI basis as well. It's up to you. Correct. Got it.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Now, payment history: on time, late, missed payments. Payment history means what? How borrower is paying, on time paying or late paying, or he is missing any payments like that. Account status: open account, closed account, charged off, or in collections. So open and closed, by the word only you will know. Correct. And
No.
charge off or in collection. Charge off means what, guys? Once your account is declared defaulter, default means after 6 months you become a defaulter. So that account would be in a charge off. And once it is in a charge off for at least 90 days, then it goes to the collection accounts. Means collection agencies you call you. Have you ever heard that collection agent are calling you or coming to your home to collect the loan amount or balance? Have you ever heard collection agencies in
Yeah,
India?
if payment is missing to the exact date, so after that they follow up and collect the
Correct, correct.
loan
Exactly.
amount.
Same thing happens in US as well. So these are few explanation about the terminologies. Now I will I am jumping on the credit report right now. I mean related things to the credit report only. Whatever we look, whatever we review, whatever we see in a credit report, those things I am going to teach you now. Okay. Personal information. By the word only, by the sentence only, you can understand that we are looking at the borrower's personal information. In that personal information, what things you will look, guys? You have to look for a
Age,
name,
date of birth, social security
social
number.
security number.
So,
Again,
right,
in further, what I will use, SSN. SSN means
social
social security.
security.
You will understand that by saying social security number means SSN number. Hmm?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Now, current and past addresses of borrower. On credit report, you will see current and
Past
past
address.
addresses. Then employment history as well. Okay. This is about the only personal information. Okay. Means your name, date of birth, social security, current, past, and where you are working. Those things as well. Now, can you read this credit account? Hello.
Tell me.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, read this.
Credit account, trade lines.
Hmm.
Trade lines, credit cards, loans, mortgages, account status, payment history, balances, credit utilization ratio.
Hmm. Okay. When I was explaining the trade lines and all the stuff, so all things I have explained, right? Credit cards, loans, mortgages, account
Hmm.
status, open, closed, delinquent. Delinquent means nothing but the borrower is not paying on a timely manner. Getting delinquent means paying
Delinquent
late
means
payment.
they will pay the with penalty and interest.
Correct. Delinquent means not paying on a timely manner. So what credit loan lenders will apply? Few charges they will apply because you are not paying on a time. Okay, interest or something they will apply and they ask you to pay. Then credit history and balances and credit utilization. Utilization I have word used. So what I have explained, guys, utilization means
Credit education.
credit utilization means how you are using your credit. I mean, let's say you have a credit card and you are using it on a complete, I mean, full balance, or you are keeping some balance, or you are paying on a timely manner or not. Whether you are using or it not means utilization means your uses of the credit, how you are using. Okay, utilization is nothing but the how you are handling your credit card, how you are handling your loan. That's it. Okay. Now inquiries.
That means
In
the
this case,
credit value is 1,000. They were limited amount only they utilized. Loan property value is getting the loan is less than the property value. These are
simple.
considered in the
No,
yeah.
I had given example. Just simple thing. Keep it in mind. Utilization means how you are using. That's it.
Hmm.
Simple. Okay.
Okay. It
Now,
means so we are using a credit card like a daily basis,
ha
weekly
ha
basis, something like
ha
this.
You are
That's
if you are using, then how you are using? I mean, let's say you are using it. Let's say your limit is lakh, but you have already used 95, and you are not. I mean, let's say only 5,000 you can use, right? Already you have spent 95, and whatever 95 you have to, utilized. Now what you are doing? You are paying, you are using, you are paying, you are using. Means what? You are using beyond the utilization. Means you are not using your credit card on a good manner. Let's say you are having a 1 lakh, and now you are using 50 only. 50 you already kept as it is, and now you are what you are doing? Using, I mean, spending 10,000 and paying 10,000. Spending 10,000 means you are doing it in a good manner, like that. Got it. So according to the loan, I mean, we can judge by the review only. We can say that if it is a late payment, he is paying on a time or not, how he is utilizing on a credit card related only. Other things we can see by the looking at the loan only, by the looking at the late payments. Just keep it in mind. Utilization means how you are using. That's it. Now, can you read this credit inquiries?
Hard inquiries, mortgage, auto loan, credit card, impact score. Soft
Stop,
inquiries.
stop,
Yeah.
stop, stop. Now, hard and stop. You know, no, soft. You know, right? By the word only, hard and soft. Hard means what? Whatever inquiries
Yes.
are. I mean, by that inquiry, what you inquiries you are asking? You are proactively asking for the loans only from the lender. Okay, you are asking for the inquiry whether I will get a mortgage or not, whether I will get a auto loan or not, whether I will get a credit card or not. You are inquiring. I mean, in India also, there are few people. They daily go to the banks, agents, and ask for the loan. Okay, but when they are asking about the mortgages, credit cards, and while asking, they have to give their PAN card, right? In India, then you are giving your PAN card means what you are doing? You are giving an authority to the agents, to the bank person to pull your credit, to pull your CIBIL. So it will definitely impact on your CIBIL score, right? Because you are asking something to pull what, and they will reflect on your credit report. Why? Because by this they will come to know you are seeking to take a loan. Means, let's say your daily basis, or if in a month you are 2 or 3 times you are asking for the loans and lenders are not providing you. What does it mean? Means your score is low, and by asking multiple times your score is getting lower and lower by day. Okay, so that's why it is used as a inquiry. Now, second thing, soft inquiries. Just read it.
Vishwa, just by inquiry itself, it is getting impact on the scores.
Obviously. Have you
No,
ever experienced or not in
uh,
India as well?
no, I'm not experienced it. I know I what na. So if the borrower wants the loan and he is checking with some bankers, okay. So they
Mhm.
are denying it now. Then it will get impact in the
No,
score,
no.
right?
Wait,
He is
wait,
just
wait.
checking to check how much amount they will get now. So for that purpose also it will get affect
Let's
now.
say, let's take an example. You went to the SBI.
Okay.
Okay. Today, I mean, let's say before month you went to the SBI for
Okay.
asking 5 lakh loan.
Okay.
Then what SBI asked you? Please provide your credit, this PAN card,
Okay. It is
salary
PAN
slips,
card, everything. Okay.
personal details, present
Yes.
address, and
Yes.
all that stuff.
Uh,
By checking, what will they do? First of all, they will pull your civil, and by
Civil
that only
score.
they will decide whether to give you or not. Let's say they rejected. Now you are doing what you said. No, SBI is a government bank. They will apply strict rules. What I will do? I will go to the HDFC. Hmm. Then you went to the HDFC. Now, what HDFC will do? Same thing. They will require all these things. What SBI applies you. They also done the same thing. Now you went to the cooperative bank, small bank, or I mean small banks like AU Finance, like this, and
Are
you
third
ask
party
them.
beneficiaries
So now what you are doing in a month, you are asking for a loan, but no banks is ready
ready
to
to
give you a
give?
loan. What does it mean? It is impacting on your score. They will, I mean, mention on their reports now why you are pulling. They will put a reason. Borrower is asking for a loan. Proactively, you are asking, right? They are not asking you to give. Please take. You are going to the bank, so definitely it will impact on your score. That's why it is mentioned as hard inquiry. Means if you are already pre-approved offer and bank is asking proactively to you, then it will not impact. But you are going to the bank, and once it is rejected, then you are going to the second bank, you are going to the third bank. What does it mean? You are proactively getting impacted your score by your own only. That's why it is mentioned as a hard inquiry. Okay, now read the soft.
Soft inquiry, background check, pre
Hmm.
approvals, no impact.
Got it? Simply, if bank is already pre-approved loans offering you, why they are offering? Because they already know how you
They
are.
already know to stability of our condition. So
They already know you are
they
a good borrower.
uh,
You can pay on a timely manner.
uh,
That's why they are coming to you proactively, not you are going to them.
uh, uh,
Correct.
okay.
So now this time they what will they put a reason? They will put no, borrower didn't come to us. We went to the borrower. That time it will not impact your credit score. Simple. Hard inquiries
Okay.
and simple. Hard
Soft
inquiries means,
inquiry.
huh.
Hard inquiry means we will approach that
No, no,
multiple
no.
bank.
One word. Hard inquiries will impact
Impact
on your
score.
score,
Impact our
and
civil
soft
scores.
inquiries will not impact on a
Depend the
score.
credit score.
That's it. Simple.
Okay.
Now, public records. What this word says, guys? Public records. What do you know?
Public
By
record.
the reading this word, what comes in your mind? What does it mean? Public records.
We are doing public records in title search also.
Ha.
No.
They,
Now, ha. Correct. Exactly. Few things like a tax lien,
Borrower
judgment.
already got default. He already got the loan and he
Mhm.
not paid regularly. Due to that, the borrower got bankruptcies and he not paid the taxes. He having multiple.
Now, guys, before this, why I have given these three? Because all three things you will find on a tax as well as title. Correct?
Right. This is
Now,
whatever we impact. This is the super priority things.
uh, all this should be cleared, paid off before loan is getting paid to the borrower. Now, just tell me what is tax lien, guys, because you people know very well tax lien.
Tax means yeah, every property have the property tax
Mhm,
taxes is there. So property owners need to pay on that property tax. That is government loan. So
mhm,
they 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 are not paid properly means they file the tax lien. So some days after the tax lien goes to the foreclosure also. So in
mhm,
case whatever the loans is prior to the tax lien, no issue. The tax lien is the first priority to closing the property cheese. Whenever
mm,
we choose that action go, the first we settle to the property tax. So there's major impact for our
mm,
borrowers, lenders.
mm, exactly. And what about judgment, guys? Hemant?
Demand.
The civil judgments are no impact. It's
Huh,
a
forget about the
Judgment,
civil.
yeah, we understand the child
Forget about the
support or
civil. Just
okay.
keep it in mind. Judgments.
judgment.
Okay.
HIO also the super priority judgments liens. So we give that priority. That is superpower.
Judgment means
Federal,
judgment
federal
means correct.
judge,
That I want. Exactly. Tell me.
federal.
Whatever federal, state, or US government authorities like court orders or whatever
Hmm.
they given just pass their judgments. Okay, let's say they had any case and they have declared that we have to pay this
Mm.
by the
Yes.
court. Then those judgments, those things should be cleared, paid off
First. Yeah.
on a first priority.
Yes.
Correct. These all are considered as a public record and bankruptcy, guys. Do
Thank you.
you know bankruptcy?
Yeah, yeah. Previously, is getting the loans. So, but
Mm-hmm.
you give that some timeline, you 30, 60, 90 days. So
Mm-hmm.
that timeline they want to respond, or they will declare into I can't pay anything that will go to the bankruptcy.
Okay. Most famous example in India, guys. Have you heard about the RCB team, Kingfisher, Vijay Mallya?
Yeah, Sudhir Mallya,
Now he is in UK
bank, bankrupt.
by declaring bankrupt. He has declared his Kingfisher Airlines as a bankrupt. Means what? He given authority to the Indian government that see guys, I can't pay you this much loan because I am already bankrupt. Whatever I have on my name, it's yours. If you can get compensated by those all the assets, I mean, then it's okay because I have that much only. I can't pay you. That's it. He has proactively declaring his bankruptcy. Okay. So these all would be reflected on credit report as well. Okay. And the title, as you explained. Got it now, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now collection. Okay.
Sure,
When
one doubt,
collect,
Vishwa.
yeah, yeah.
The public records, it's including the mortgage also, we need to verify the outstanding
Mhm.
loans.
Anything about the
That
amount.
information not presented, that only asked.
Yeah, yeah. Now just I'm just giving few examples of public records. So anything related to amount, guys. Simply, you are liable to pay, but you didn't pay. That's it. Simple. On credit report, whatever you will see, those things you will see only liabilities. Means you are already taken a loan and you are liable to pay, but you are denying or you are not able to pay or anything. those records would be reflected under public records. There is a section on credit report, public records. Under that only you can see all these things. Okay. Now, collection. Collection agencies will come in picture when borrower is defaulter. He is not paying on timely manner. Then lender, what will lender do? They chase you till 6 months after, because see, I mean, see, take an example of any Indian bank. Let's say Axis Bank has given you a credit card. Till 6 months they will call you, man, pay this, like that. Bank will call you,
Then
bank agent will call you, but later on what they will do? They give up.
people
They say,
give up,
uh,
put default.
they declare default, and they report your account in a collection agency and give full authority to the collection agency that collect at least this much amount and give us, and whatever remained amount is there as per you take it. I mean, there is a deal between collection agency and banks. According to that only, collection agencies call you and chase you about their loans. So same way in US as well, accounts sent to the collection agencies, like anything. I mean, in collection, what sometimes you may see medical bills, utilities, credit card bills, you are not able to anything that comes under collections. But as I explained previously, guys, if you remember, let's say there are few accounts under collection like light bill, gas bill, and credit card bill, auto bill, mortgage bill. Just 5 example I have given. According to this, which bill you will consider borrower has to pay and which will not?
Mortgage, credit card,
And auto
auto
you will
bill,
consider.
auto bill.
And what about the gas and light?
That is utility bill. This is exception case. Already you said that we
Correct,
are not considered
correct.
to that.
Exactly, guys, exactly. Utilities bill you will not ask borrower to pay off. Okay, you will ask rest all accounts or loan amounts whatever he is having need to pay.
But
Okay.
in that utility is mentioned in the collection section. That's fine now.
It's fine. It's fine. It happens. Sometimes borrower what they do, they not even able to pay their monthly light bill as well. Okay, so you can't force borrower to pay because of this. I am not giving a loan. No, if borrower is having legally taken a loan, because light bill is your, see, basic thing. Gas is basic thing, right?
Mm.
Electricity, light, these are the basic needs. But credit card you are using means you are using for your leveraging. I mean, you are, I mean, what I can say, you are
Luxury,
getting
your
some,
personal development things.
correct, correct. You are doing a show off and all this stuff. So you have to pay, kind of that only. So collection agency will come in picture at this time. Okay. Now we are moving to the types of account on a credit report. Before moving to this, what types of account you people know? Let me know.
You know
Bank
that
accounts.
savings account, credit account,
Wait.
Current
Before,
accounts, saving accounts. Both.
current account, saving account, ODA account.
okay, wait, guys. We are
Business
talking
account.
about credit, not asset. Type of account means you said about the assets. We are in
Uh,
credit. So these are liabilities, not assets. So you are
oh,
saying checking, saving, all the stuffs would come in under assets, not
Asset.
credit. So regarding credit, have you ever heard revolving account, mortgage account, auto loan account? Have you ever heard? Student
No,
loan.
no, no,
Okay,
no.
yeah, that
okay. You may heard or you
personal
may
loan.
not.
We know that personal loan account.
Huh, right. So we will come to know now what is revolving. So just read. So we'll come to know what are the revolving accounts.
Revolving accounts, credit cards, retail store cards, lines of credit, flexible balance. minimum monthly payments required, high utilization can hurt your score.
Now, by just Vijay, they tell me by reading the first line what you understand.
Credit card, retail store card, so line of credit. These are already some amount we have is given to the leverage to pre loan. Pre loan means we have some
Okay,
amount is there. Whatever we need, we use and we pay that.
correct, exactly. Okay, this is nothing but the credit cards, you can say, like retail store card. Like say you have a DMart and Reliance. What they do, they give you some card according to your score. What they do, you are a regular customer, sir, we will give a 10,000 card because you are purchasing our material on a daily basis. Utilize this. And what they will ask, sir,
We will
purchase,
pay later.
purchase today and pay within 1 month or 45 days, whatever timeline they give, like that. And line of credit, LOC, we have used this word in HELOC, line of credit. When I was saying HELOC is nothing but the revolving kind of account. Means HELOC means what? You are having like credit card only. You are having a limit of 50,000. You have used 40,000. Then remaining limit would be 10,000. Now again you are paying 20,000. Then your limit will increase by 30,000. Like credit card only. Okay. Line of credit means like a credit card only. Then flexible balance. You can carry debt month to month, bro, right? You are, I mean, flexible balance means what? You are paying and using, paying and using means you are utilizing it in on a daily basis and
That both
paying.
are same like the credit card also same things only.
Correct, correct, same,
Hmm.
exactly same. Monthly payment. I mean, minimum monthly payments required at least. Let's say credit card. Suppose you purchased any big thing like laptop you have purchased worth of 35 and your limit is 50. Now your monthly amount would be next month 35, right?
Yeah.
But what you requested to the bank, can you please convert in EMI? Or if you don't request, then what they will give you an option, at least minimum
Minimum
5.
payment,
Huh, at
minimum
least,
of payment.
you pay, then we will consider it in the next month. So that is minimum monthly payment required. Okay, now
So the credit card bill also showing that minimum charge. So total outstanding charge. Two things is
correct.
coming our statement also. Indian
Correct,
credit card also same thing.
correct. Now high utilization can hurt your score, as I explained previously. Means you are using up to the limit.
Okay.
Correct. You
Yeah.
are having a limit of 1 lakh and you are using 95, 90. Means what you are doing? You already
It
used
is
limit.
already you are fully engaged with the
Hmm.
liabilities. So if more loans are provided, that to the risk for the lender.
Hmm. Why? Because you have already used 95 and again if I give a 50,000, then what you will do? You will try to pay your first payment first, no? Then only you will pay my payments. So there is a risk, right? Like that. So next is installment. Read it, guys. Installment.
Mortgages, auto loans, student loans, personal loans, fixed monthly payments over a set term shows responsibility in long-term repayment.
Now, Hemant,
Yeah,
tell me, second line, tell me, fixed monthly payments over a set time means what?
uh, the same. The already the borrower had a loan earlier, a
Hmm.
mortgage, so
Hmm.
they need to pay monthly EMI, right?
Hmm. Correct. Means it
Similar kind
simple,
of things.
simple. It
Short
means
term EMIs.
it means borrower is having a fixed amount to pay on a monthly basis. Means They have already taken a loan, and they know that I have to pay for a 10 month, 10 year, whatever tenure is. So like that, it is simply mentioned you have to pay on a monthly basis. What kind of accounts then? It may be mortgage, maybe auto loan, maybe student loan, or maybe personal loan as well. All these will be comes under installment loans. Why? Because they have a fixed installment amount on a monthly basis. That's why it is called as a installment account.
Installment account.
Okay. And third line says what? Shows responsibility in long term repayment. Means you are a responsible and you are paying on time. So it means you are a responsible person that you are paying your payments on a timely manner. Okay. If you want to write it down, then this, I mean, examples, and you can write it down, guys, because I mean, it's very important. Revolving installment open and all. Do you want to write?
Yeah, you, I
Yeah,
write
please.
it.
Yeah, okay, please. What about Hemant?
Yeah, I also noted it.
Okay, then can I go move further?
Yeah, yeah.
Open up.
Okay, okay. Now, now, see, less common, but examples include utility accounts or charge off accounts like American Express charge cards must be paid in full each month. Now, guys, it is very unique thing which used in America only. Okay, there is a American Express Bank. Okay, we used to call Amex, Amex. Write it down.
Mix card.
Amex, Amex.
I see that.
Okay, so what happens? Like the retail cards on a monthly basis, I explained, right? They give a Amex card to utilize. They give you a certain limit, like 50,000. Please use it, and what they require, what they ask, please pay entire amount. They will not give a
No,
leverage.
no
Whatever you will use,
leverage, no EMI conversion, no minimum
nothing,
balance.
nothing,
Whatever
nothing.
you use, that all the amount will settle on the month on month.
Ah, exactly.
Not month on
So
month, right? Every
monthly,
Month on
no, monthly,
month on month.
monthly.
no, for this month he how much he used, no, that total amount he need to pay within this month, or a certain period of time they already given.
No,
Month,
one bill
only
date
month.
will generate a month.
Yeah,
Same
that
thing.
is that only I am asking. So
No,
for credit card we have 45 days, right? It
no,
will
no,
get bill gen.
no. Let me explain. Don't get it confused in credit cards and open accounts. Open accounts is the term only. You have to pay in a monthly basis. Whatever you use, you have to pay. Your limit is 10,000. If you are using 10,000, pay 10,000. There is no option to installment or more than days. No, you have to pay. Open accounts. That's why it is said as a open accounts. Monthly basis pay, monthly basis use. There is no other option. Okay, if you see this kind of accounts on a credit report, then these accounts should be pay off. There is no other option. You have to pay. That's it. That's why it is mentioned as a monthly basis account. All amount
Oh,
should be paid.
it's a priority one, huh?
Yes,
We need to
right.
prioritize it.
Correct.
Okay.
Open accounts, I mean, must be paid in full each month. If you read this now, must be paid in full in each month. No other option.
Got it. Got it.
Okay. Now, mortgage accounts. Now, you know mortgage already. Okay. Specific type of installment loan, as we seen for upper mortgage, auto, student loans, personal loans. Like the same way, mortgage accounts will be there, but includes details like loan amount, balance, payment history, and the status. Balance means, let's say loan amount is
Outstanding
20,
amount.
total loan amount. Let's say 10 lakh you have taken. What is the balance? Balance means, let's say you have paid 2 lakh, but remained is 8 lakh.
It
Then payment, how you are paying on a monthly basis, paying or not, 30, 60 days, is there any late payments, And the status means whether it is active or closed. Might be you have taken a loan before 10 years and now it is closed. So the status would be closed. If it is open, then it would be open and active. Okay. If it is a defaulter, then it would be go in a collections or any, I mean, charge off, anything, any stage. That is called a status. Now, critical for mortgage eligibility review. Why I have mentioned it is because, like other loans, mortgage loan amount would be higher and bigger, right?
Yeah.
Not like 1000, or lakh. It would be more than that, right? Much higher, much more. That's why it is very critical to review. I mean, let's say if you notice that mortgage late payment history is 30 days, 60 days, means it is a serious delinquency, guys. Any delinquency more than 60 days, the loan would be directly denied. Okay, regarding the mortgage loan within a last 1 year. Let's say you are reviewing today, and within last 1 year, you see that history borrower is not paying, and there is a history of more than 60 days. The loan would be directly denied. That's why it is mentioned as a critical for mortgage eligibility review. Then other accounts like HELOC. HELOC is nothing but the credit card. Okay, finance company loans, retail installment. As we explained, few retailers they you give a card and ask to pay on a monthly basis. Purchase today and pay tomorrow, like that. Okay. Now, just I will go by one in what we have seen, like personal information. Now you people explain me in a shorter manner what you understand, one by one.
Personal information. Yeah.
One
You,
Borrower
Hemant, one
information.
Vijay, one Hemant, one Vijay. Like personal information will explain Vijay, then credit account will explain Hemant, like that, in a shorter
Okay.
manner.
the personal
Okay.
information validate to the name, date of birth, and current and present employment history. This will verified is document and URL. No,
Hmm. URL.
Urla form.
Hmm.
Urla form. Further, we validate that is any description are all good in the declarant information.
Hmm. Explain complete personal information. You only.
Yeah, name and date of birth and SSN. You verify that proper proof and evidence provided, which is mentioned in the URLA. So current address, current living address and present address details, we will verify that. So current address more than 1 year, its current address is enough. So is short term means we need to verify the past address also. So employee history, we verify that the company details. So less than 2 years, we need to check the previous employment also. It's covered to the verification part.
Wow, perfect. Next, Hemant.
Okay, credit accounts. Okay, so credit accounts are so the borrower liabilities details, right? So credit cards, loans, mortgage details.
Correct.
So everything we need to verify. So that means that the not the subject one, the previous one, correct?
Correct.
Yeah. Same way the account status. You said right. So whether he paid or not properly, he paid or not paid. So open, closed, delinquent information. Delinquent means he not paid the EMI properly, like that.
Correct.
And then the payment history. So payment history. So you need to check whether he paid regularly or some 30 days, 60 days, like that he paid. That we need to check. Also the balances, the regular balance, so the record balance he have in
Hmm.
the in his account, those
Correct.
information. And then
Correct.
the credit utilization ratio. So that credit utilization is how much he regularly using his card, whether yeah, weekly or monthly or like that we need to verify.
Exactly. Okay. Now, Vijay, credit inquiries.
Credit inquiry, there are two things: hard inquiry and soft inquiry. Hard inquiry means we need to voluntarily approach to mortgage loan, auto loan, credit cards. That will we provide our PAN card and SSN details. They will inquire about to our civil scores card. So that
Ah,
will impact to our
correct.
score. So soft inquiry means already the banks and are they are having the details. They will we are in good civil score. They will pre-approve the loans. That will if you approach no impact. We have no impact on that.
Exactly. Now means your hard inquiry means will impact on a credit score. Soft inquiries means not will impact
Not
on your
impact.
credit score. That's it.
Impact, no impact.
Correct. Now public records. You both will know, but
Yeah,
again, Hemant.
these also similar to impact one, right? Hard things. Yeah, this
Mm,
bankruptcies,
these
tax
are no,
rate.
no. These are serious, serious things actually. More than
Very
Seriously.
serious.
inquiries. That
Yeah,
will impact on your score, but it will impact on your loan only.
yeah.
This is a
Okay.
serious impact. If you found major impact means most of the loans are declined. That
Directly decline, yes. If a
yeah,
bankrupt borrower is there, would you
yeah,
like to give a bankrupt person loan? No, right?
yeah. We declined that. If tax in is not properly mentioned, that we declined or we asked to LOX. So
Mm,
how long to take to close that tax pendings? These things.
correct.
So judgment,
So,
this judgment
yeah,
called we consider child support and alimony, everything, HOA,
Most
everything.
yeah, most of the things related to the court orders only. I mean, like
Yeah,
you said, child support.
federal.
So,
Vishwa, one small doubt.
mm,
Vijay is mentioned, right, LOX about the tax rate. So
mm,
LOX is when we actually raise, no, so if they provide the information provided in the URLA, so it is not matching with the documents, no, then we need to raise
mm,
the LOX, correct? So for
mm.
tax liens, actually, I don't know. It will we got those documents through public record itself. For those information also, we need to raise LOX.
No, for there are two scenarios. Like, let's say any discrepancy, whatever mentioned on URLA, and you could not find on a credit report, then you will ask for a judgment, LOX. But
Okay.
if if I mean, see, for bankruptcies, tax liens, and judgment, all these are already recorded, guys. There is no
Yeah.
requirement of LOX because borrower
Yeah.
will not say that I. But what we will require, we require the released. I mean, whatever judgments are filed against him, you know, court order is there. Let's say it's a court order, then that should be released. That status should be
Close.
discharged,
Yes,
right?
discharge,
It's a
Uh-huh.
satisfaction. Yeah.
termination or satisfaction.
So there is, I mean, we can't simply ask borrower whether it is filed against you or not. No, it is already filed. We know already.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, but we required a legal document, not only LOX. Okay, for
Legal document means we need to satisfaction document need to record it.
correct, correct, recorded document we required, not only LOX.
Okay. We ask the borrower to post the record document, the satisfaction record document in the public
Hmm.
record.
Correct, correct, correct.
Hemant, one thing. Hemant, it will all covered in that commitment report. We requirement
Hmm.
part we mentioned that.
Correct. Title
Yeah.
commitment, yes.
Yeah,
Hmm.
we requirement part we mentioned
Yeah.
that
If
before
they're
the
not
loan we need to close the mortgage,
previous
first
one, yeah.
mortgage,
Hmm.
judgments, tax
Hmm.
liens. These are need to close that
Close.
before
Yeah.
According
loan.
according to
loan.
status of open, satisfied, released, that only you will identify. Let's say bankruptcy is there, then that should be dismiss or discharge. Then only you can look further like this. Okay, and
Yeah.
by the name of collection and judgment, what is the difference, guys? What collection and what is judgment?
Judgment is already court order is provided what are the amount borrower need to pay that.
Simple things, guys.
Hmm,
In simple things, if a collection it is there, then it is up to you and collection agency.
yeah,
But it is a judgment means what? Already
court
declared. You
involved.
have to pay. Court is involved. Means there is
Court
no other
involved.
option. It is serious delinquency, serious case, right? Okay. Now collections account sent to the collection agencies, right?
Collection agency. That
Which
sometimes the wait on that. After that, it's go to default. So they assign to collect that some percentage to lender, some percentage to collection agency. The collection agency will follow to get the amount on the balance pendings.
correct. That that is collection. Okay. Now types of accounts. It will explain Hemant revolving accounts.
Yeah, revolving account, it's like of credit cards you already informed.
Mhm.
So credit cards. So what are the things actually we have in hand, but we are using very minimal or up till maximum amount. So those we calling as a revolving accounts. So we can use it as a flexible, whether we can use some amount for this month and we can pay till the period we have, and then we can use some additional amount also we have to use for next month. So like that we can use it. Uh, s- uh, Minimum monthly payments is, yeah, so if we able to convert it into EMI, we can convert it. So we so for that we need to pay minimum payments. But these details are if they are using regularly and they are using a maximum amount, then it will hurt the credit score.
Correct. Now installment.
Yeah, so
Installment.
if the borrower is using very minimal things, there are no issues. It's good. If they are using a higher amount and the utilization ratio is also more, then definitely it impact the score of the borrower.
Okay.
Installment amount. So whatever the EMI we consider installment payment, we fix it on month EMIs, mortgage loan, auto loan, student loan, personal loan. We fixed month on month payment. That is say that installment account. It shows shows the responsibility to month on month the EMI will pay on time. That is that kind of accounts are the installment account.
Okay. Open accounts a month.
Open amount, sorry, open account. Open account is not like installment. So
Correct.
how much amount actually we used, so those amount we need to pay that month itself. Yeah. So we
On
can.
monthly basis.
No
Huh?
EMI, no minimum due. We need
Correct.
to close it
Pay the
on
full amount.
whatever the utilized amount fully we need to repayment. No exceptions from that.
Exactly.
You said on exam Amex, Amex.
Amex,
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 American Express account.
A, AME.
AMEX.
AMEX.
Amex card.
Now mortgage accounts and other accounts. Mortgage accounts are simply nothing but the mortgages you have taken against your property, then you have to pay. It is against a kind of an installment account. But it is a very critical because amount is
The
involved
amount is
in,
very higher.
and other accounts like home equity line of credit we already explained, like a credit card. Okay. Like a retail example we have taken like a DMart and all the stuff. Okay. So these are the types of account on a credit report.
Okay.
Now tomorrow what we will do, we will
Only
see this.
four accounts we have, Vishwa.
See, installment, like I have said, na, if you want installment, na, we have seen like mortgage, auto, student, personal. These are itself
I,
four accounts, four type of accounts. Okay, open is five account, mortgage is six type accounts. Okay,
Oh,
then HELOC, then charge
okay,
off, collection. These are the types of accounts. But against we have considered under different parameters. Okay,
okay.
so I believe it's okay to stop here today, or how it
yeah,
is.
it's fine. Vishwa, one request, Vishwa. Tomorrow,
Vijay,
hmm,
sorry, Vishwa, if you want to continue one more hour, na, that's fine for us. If you
Mm,
are okay, then we can go.
actually,
Otherwise,
I was also no, wishing the same, but little bit throat today, not that much now.
okay, okay, got it. Understand.
Tomorrow we will do for more than 2 hours for sure.
no,
No,
no, no.
tomorrow
Huh?
Tomorrow
Vijay
is
has request.
some personal work is there.
Oh,
So you close it 4:30 is enough. 3 to 4:30 is enough.
that
After
is okay.
that, yeah.
Then what we will do, because most definitions and explanation we explained today, tomorrow
Uh,
I will just take it in a faster manner so that we will complete, but in
oh,
little bit faster, because you come to know each and every small thing too. LTV, CLTV, HLTV, what is the personal credit, trade lines, charge off, daily, each and everything you know today. So tomorrow what we will do, directly go to the underwriting perspective and few more things on a credit. So we will finish
oh,
tomorrow credit report
yeah.
completely. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure.
Oh, oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay then. Chalo
Okay.
guys then.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for
Vishwa,
yeah.
Vishwa, sorry to ask. Last week we discussed, right? So some notes you
Yeah,
told, right?
man. I tried actually. Notes.
Uh,
I don't know how to. I tried on directly that those notes, but I was not able to send on a WhatsApp now. So anyhow, you have recordings, right? You can ask. I mean, anytime you can go to him and have it, guys. Actually, I actually last 2 days, previous days, I was taking on mobile, no, guys, because
Hmm.
my laptop was not working. Got it. So I tried to send those things but I didn't get any option. So the reason I could not say. Otherwise, there is no other reason. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. Anyways, you have I mean, I believe all the, I mean, permissions to go in recorded sessions, right?
Yes, no, no. So other than the class details, so any
Mm-hmm.
other documents you have related to the
Ha ha ha.
underwriting?
Don't worry. That I will provide you once we will complete all these things. What will
Hmm.
happen, guys? Let's say if I give something then you will suddenly you will get, what is this? If you don't know any term, anything, let me clear all the terms theoretically, practically. Then I will give whatever you require. Don't worry about that. Okay. Let's finish our syllabus, our motto, our goals. Then only each and every document, when I mean before, when we will go in a live scenarios, question answer thing, that time I will give you each and everything. Don't worry.
Okay. So tomorrow, if possible, no. So just share no one example document of the
Exactly, exactly. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Urla and the credit report document. Possible
Both I will,
AUS also is fine.
both I will show you tomorrow. Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, okay, guys. Then
Fine. Fine, Mr.
okay. Thank you.
Thank
Take care. Your
you.
health.
welcome, welcome. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Take care, Vishwas. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Bye, bye.